In this video, I will show you how to change your currency in Ecwid. So to do this, go and open up Ecwid, then in the bottom menu right here, go and click settings and head into the general section. Now from here, go and click on regional settings. And then here under the currency, you will see currency is set to euro for me. Now you can pick any currency right here. So that's pretty much every currency there is, I think. But for example, I'll change mine to US dollar. And then once you're done, you will see right here how you can save it, but you can also just go and click on it. And now you will see currency US dollars. So now if I head into my products, you will see that now my products are in dollars. Well, if I change it back, you will see now it's in euros again. Now it doesn't convert the prices. So for example, this product was 25 euros, which should be about $27. So in order to update that, you will need to do it manually. So now you know how to change the currency on Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next